Hello.
Who is that,
A
Madeline?
great-grandma.
around?
She's the only great-grandparent, isn't she?
Yeah, she is.
Hi.
The great-grandma.
Oh,
Yeah.
what a great grandmother. I'm glad you people finally gave us some great grandchildren.
Oh,
It took a
Jilty.
long time,
You have
didn't
a
it?
few. You have a few.
Didn't it take a long time? Huh? I had to be 85 to even get them. Can you believe that one?
Did you hear what she said to the operating room nurse? She was buzzing around. The nurse said to her, you know,
I asked one girl,
I
she
have been waiting 86 years.
hey, where you going? Hey, look at
Think
me.
how long my mother's been waiting for grandchildren.
Yeah.
60 plus years. I'll just
Hey,
leave
Do you
it at
see
that.
Motzi? That's grandma. It's your great grandma.
yeah.
Look at
Well.
those are cute. I hadn't seen those socks.
Aren't they
Little
cute?
Puma.
Hey,
I think everybody has gone out of their
Gee,
way to
looking at
find
your grandmother
unusual
over
and
there,
fun
huh?
things.
Yes. I
you
think
looking
so.
at Grandma? Huh? Can you hear her talk and talk?